6 months ago, I was sitting at this very light during Hurricane Beryl. 6 months later, we're seeing some heavy snow, moderate snow. Snowing here in Pasadena, Texas. Same light, just 6 months later. Same intersection. 6 months later, and we're getting snow. 6 months ago, we're having 80-mile-an-hour winds here at this intersection from Hurricane Beryl. Today's January 21st, 2025, and the snow is coming down. Coming down. Pasadena, Texas. January 20th, 2025. You know what? Let me go a little bit more farther west. The snow is coming down pretty good. Let's go a little farther west. The roads are almost impassable. They're slippery. We don't got no slow plows down here, so it's definitely coming down hard.